Hello! In this video, we'll cover the proper procedure for unboxing and installing the EDLA BenQ Board Pro RP04. To ensure your safety and that of the BenQ Boards, please follow the steps carefully. But first, let's see which tools you'll need. When handling the box, please note which side is the front. The BenQ Board screen is situated on this side. Keep this in mind when handling and transporting the box. Before starting the unboxing, you can already enroll the board in the BenQ device management solution by simply scanning the serial number on the side of the box and giving it a name. To start unboxing, first cut the box straps. Next, if you have an 86 or 75-inch model, you must first unfasten the clips by pinching them and then pulling them out. The 86-inch model has 6 clips, the 75-inch has 4 clips, and the 65-inch has none. When all the clips are removed, you can use the side flaps to gently lift the box. Next, remove the 3 panel protectors found on the top of the BenQ board. The 2 at the corners usually come off automatically when you remove the BenQ board from the box. Inside the box, you will find 2 accessory boxes. Make sure you remove them before disposing of the box. One accessory box includes your power cable, and the other includes your BenQ Board pens, remote control receiver, AAA batteries, USB-C cable, USB touch cable, VGA cable, HDMI cable, wall mount screws, camera mount, and user documentation. Using scissors, carefully cut the protective cover. We recommend cutting 3 sides for easier removal. The board comes with the wall mount pre-installed. You can use this mount when installing the board on a wall. When installing the BenQ board on a trolley, first remove these 2 screws and then remove the wall mount. If needed, you can adjust the BenQ board height by moving the position of the bracket up and down. To do this, remove these 4 screws and then reattach them with the bracket at the required height. Before mounting the BenQ board on the trolley, make sure that the trolley is locked in place. Then, carefully mount the BenQ board on the trolley and ensure that it is securely placed. You are now almost ready to power on the BenQ board. Just plug in the power cord to the back of the board and an outlet. Then, turn on the power switch. That's it! The LED in the front should turn on, and with a press of the power button, you can start using your BenQ board. If you have a BenQ slot-in PC or the BenQ DV01K camera, let's see how to set those up. The slot-in PC port is located on the back of the board on the left side. Start by unfastening the screws to remove the slot cover. Slide the slot-in PC into place and ensure that it is correctly plugged in. Now fasten the 2 screws to finish the installation. First, plug the camera into the dedicated port at the top of the BenQ board. Then fasten the 2 screws on either side to secure the camera. That's it for the unboxing of the EDLA BenQ board. If you want to learn more about the board, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.